Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm cooking in the Ooni Karu 12 and I'm making a barbecue steak pizza. Let's do it. Okay, so I made the pizza. I'm just checking the stone. So I cook at 410-ish on this stone. I don't want it any higher than that because it seems to cook. And if you can see, the red light is in the center and the temperature, get both in on the screen. It's about 412, 8 to 12 fluctuating. That's going to be enough for me. So I'm going to get this in. Okay, so not sure if I'm going to put the door on or not. Let's see how it goes. It's coming forward nicely. It's getting a bit windier now, so I've got to, maybe I will. Let's check this. Just a little bit more up there, and then I think we're done. Door on again for a few seconds. Let's see. A little bit more, and then I think we're done. Done. Nice crunchy crust. Let me try that bit. I love the way it's cooked the tomato. Let me show you the crunchy crust. So yeah, all in all, very tasty pizza. Put barbecue sauce on the base and then steak in the sauce, marinated in the sauce, some tomatoes which are really ripe and delicious, and some basil because I think it goes with everything on pizza somehow. A very crispy crust. It took a bit longer to cook and I like it like that. Steak barbecue pizza, can't go wrong. Hope you liked the vid. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gotoeatpizza.com. Link is below.